Good morning, children. Today we are learning talking train lesson. Look at the picture. Is there anything special about the train? Yes, this is the talking train. Name the things you see in the picture: passengers, ticket collector, platform, clock, shops, train, porters, etc. How many people are there? There are so many people. What are the people doing? They are waiting for the train. Understood? Now, is the train arriving? Yes, the train is arriving on the station. Now, look at the picture. Answer the questions. Where do you think are people in this picture? The people are at the railway station. What do you think the woman on the TV is doing? She is announcing about the train arrival. Now read the story. Talking train. Hello, do you know who I am? I am a train. My name is Rail Raja. I am your friend. I have no legs. I can move like you. I have many wheels. I run on rails. I have an engine as my face. I have bogies as my tail. I am very long. I make the sound coo coo chuk chuk. I go to different places. Who is the speaker in this picture? The train is the speaker. What is its name? Its name is Rail Raja. Does it have legs? No. How can a train run? Train runs with its wheels. How do the bogies look like? They look like a tail. What does a train has its face? The train has engine as its face. What is the sound made by the train? The train makes the sound coo coo chuk chuk. What are the different places through which a train travels? We will discuss tomorrow. Okay, followed all of you. Now this is about the lesson. Talking train. Understood?